Lindsay's 30. May I work with you today? What do you think about that? And open. Just don't overdo it today. Here we are at Tamerlaine Sanctuary, and we're in New Jersey, right?
Yep.
So we're about 2 hours from New York. I just drove up this morning. We're seeing a lot of animals. How many animals do you think you have? About 250?
Yeah, around
250. And it's such a beautiful farm. Now, they also have an Airbnb here, so you can come book a night or a weekend. Check out their website, and if you ever care to help them with donations, that's awesome. Or if you want to come visit and see the animals yourself, and the Airbnb is just beautiful. I mean, this is picturesque here. Really unbelievable. It's only 2 hours from New York City. Hi, Lindsay. So we have Lindsay here today. Lindsay's 30, and I'm here at Tamerlaine Sanctuary here in New Jersey. And this is an amazing place. It's beautiful. All these acres, and they have up to 250 animals here, goats and a couple of donkeys. And we just worked on Dawn, and Dawn is yawning now because it was a good adjustment. And Lindsay is 30 from what I'm told. And may I work with you today? What do you think about that? Can I work with you? All right. I like to ask. Sometimes they want to voice their opinion on it. So I'm going to just work on this pole a little bit. Don't kick me, okay? Good. And I'm wiggling that pole. Nice. Nice. Okay. Let that lip go. Nice. Wiggling the pole. Let that go. There's the lip. So the lip's flapping. Let's do it this way so you can really see. Let the lip flop. Flopping lip. And just letting that neck just release. Bring your head down a little more and then bring it up. Nice. There you go. So you're letting that swing and open, working the whole neck now. You love this right here. Maybe, maybe not. All right. Can I have this leg? Would you give me this leg? Good. Don't. Ah, nice. That's okay. Come this way. Okay. Nice. All right, good. Hope. All right, so let's come down the back now. So you got a spot here in the lower right. Do you feel that? I'm going to get that for you. So let me switch sides. It's right there. It's a big old muscle knot. Who knew, right? So I'm going to bring you this way and I'm going to adjust that. Look at me. What do you think of that one? Let's feel it. Well, it's still there a little bit. So I'm going to massage that for you. Actually, there's two. So I'm going to get the next one too. May I? It's right in there. Okay, I'm going to laterally flex. Laterally flex. Ooh, that made a big pop. Okay. Good. All right, let's keep going. So here's your withers area. A little stuck up here too. Do you feel that? Let me hold that. Get that shoulder to release a little bit. Okay. Come around again. Good. And here in your thoracics too. Do you feel that? One right there. Let me get to the other side. Right in there. Okay, here we go. That's L6, 5, 4. That's L3. Okay. Ooh, they're cracked. Did you like that one? It's a good release, right? It's nice, right? I think we're done. Let's don't overdo it today. Just got your couple of good adjustments on you. Just make sure I didn't miss anything. Yeah, your pole feels good now, so we're gonna leave that. I think we're done. Thanks everybody to watch me work with this one here. Laterally flex. Ooh, that made a big pop. Okay. Good.